Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Four Seasons Country Inn. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located 5 miles from the Bowling Green city center, this Glasgow, Kentucky inn features a spa bath or a kitchenette in select suites. Free Wi-Fi is featured in each room. Each spacious suite offers cable TV, a desk and free toiletries in the private bathroom at Four Seasons Country Inn. All rooms are styled in subtle colored linens and cheery wood furnishings. Covered porches are available for guests to relax in at Glasgow Four Seasons Country Inn. A business center is also offered. Mammoth Cave National Park is 30 minutes drive away. Churchill Downs, home of the Kentucky Derby, is 100 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.